Welcome to my channel, Face of Society. In this video I have to explain how you train our people. A line of cats passed by me who were drinking milk from the milk bowl in their turn from the line. I was amazed to see this discipline of cats. How are they working with such discipline? Sensing my impressions, my colleague replied that these cats had been trained by him. He pointed to a side where a 6 to 7-year-old boy was standing, pointing to the cats. I began to think that when animals and training can be so disciplined, why not human? Man is the noblest of creatures and whom Allah has distinguished the power of will, good or evil. If a person is given good training, he can subdue the whole world. Just like our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, trained his companions and made them role models for the whole world. The companions enlightened the whole world with the light of Islam, the fruits of which amazed the whole world. Of course, the life of the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, is a perfect example for us. He trained it according to human psychology. He was forbidden to lie. When he returned the next day, the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, inquired whether he had drunk alcohol or not. He did not think that he had forbidden him to lie. The Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, trained the Sahaba. Has always been given importance, and at the same time every action of yours has been preserved in the form of hadith so that the Muslim Ummah can follow them and set the stages of progress. Every aspect of life is present in them. Father, husband, son, businessman, politician, soldier, salah, lawyer, teacher, there are orders and practical measures in every sphere of life. As much as he emphasized on worship, he also emphasized on haram and halal matters, ethics, rights and duties. He also gave importance to the training of the companions. Once upon a time in the Prophet's mosque, a Bedouin came and started cursing Abu Bakr. Abu Bakr listened in silence. He looked at the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, and saw that he was smiling until he started abusing the Bedouin. So Abu Bakr got angry and he also replied. As soon as Abu Bakr answered, the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, got up and left. The Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, got up and left. I was smiling when I saw the angel answering him instead of you, but as soon as you answered, the devil came in his place, and where is the devil, what is my business? So I got up and left. What a wonderful way to screw people over. He did not immediately advise them, but compared them to the angels and the devil. Will increase it, and Satan his companions will be taken to hell. Thus the Prophet, peace be upon him, trained the companions step by step. Salma, may Allah be pleased with her, says, when I was a child, I was your training. Once when I sat down to eat with you, while eating, my hand used to move around in the food bowl, one bite from this side, the other bite was eaten on this side, and the third bite was eaten from another side. Oh boy, before you start eating, eat the name of Allah and eat with your right hand. And eat in front of you. He also taught the etiquette of defecation along with the etiquette of food. Along with this there is a temporary neighbor of Taniba about the rights of the neighbors, and a permanent neighbor instructed about both of them to pay the dues. Work with selflessness. Do not reach, and if his heart desires, if possible, add more water and send it to the neighbor. The Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said that he is not one of us who does not show compassion to the elders and the younger ones. He promised forgiveness to those who serve their parents. The Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, he who finds his parents in old age and does not serve them is doomed. In this way, a companion came to your service and asked permission for jihad. You found out that your parents are alive. He said, yes. He said, serve your parents. Haqq al-Ibad is important along with Haqq Allah for the formation of a peaceful society. Old homes, divorce, suicide, adultery, rising. Distance is the love and fame of the world within the people. The lust for wealth has been created. Relationships are falling apart due to intolerance. Today's youth is suffering due to lack of consistency. It is necessary to create faith and trust in Allah. I got it by pouring. Make friends. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel.